So here I am at base camp. It's just the view of the general town. They have kind of an open air situation going on with the base camp here, so it's really cool because we get birds flying by every once in a while and some really interesting insects. Hear that? Every day, non-stop. Some truck drives around selling I don't even know what the hell. It's over there now, but the thing circles the town non-stop, playing that tune. Yeah, you hear it? There it goes again. Oh, they stopped. Oh, there's the other one. Great, you get to hear both of them. Two tunes, non-stop, all day, sun up to sundown. Yeah, it surrounds us. Listen to that. You hear that? This is from my room at base camp.